Yeah, I was blessed as a youth to get into a situation where I got some sponsorships to do some mountain bike riding, and changed my life and definitely changed the way I look at the ground and dirt, and got the opportunity to get in on a cool service project because of my history of mountain biking with the city up here, and now we're building something for the next generation. Our company is AM Transport and Construction. We are primarily working on general excavation projects from small residential all the way up to big commercial and industrial. This project that we're at today is a mountain bike skills park that was a grant that the city was able to get and start producing. And we're coming in for kind of the revamp, rework, and getting it a little more flowy. There's 3 different lines: black diamond, an intermediate, and a beginners that all have to get kind of reworked. We're doing a little bit of service and a little bit of work on this one. So on this one, it was kind of, the city gave us tight parameters. We don't want you to change the path much, just change the angles and what you need. In the Rocky Mountains, this particular park is the material we're working with is extremely challenging. It's hard, unforgiving soil, and it demands really durable equipment because it will tear it up fast. And that's probably the biggest challenge, is working on the slopes and the material, the angles. The white stuff really puts the hurt on us, slows stuff down. We stick primarily with excavators. We have Case and Kubota excavators, work brow tools on both. So the initial set was kind of build a plan of how we're going to make things better, and that was come in, rough our way to the top, and then look at the best possible thing we can do with the land and readjust the geometry to make it flow on a bike so that you're not uncomfortable and not having fun. This 9-ton, 8-ton is pretty much what it is because of the width and the strength you need a lot of times to lift and do this stuff efficiently. Yeah. Watching these tools, it's amazing what they can do, and especially when they're tooled correctly. They don't break, and you can rely on dependability and good products.